This video tutorial I will explain getBundle method of ResourceBundle class, which accept baseName as qualified class name and locale. Here I have defined the class message bundle underscore en underscore us, which extends ResourceBundle class and overrides two methods. The first method is handle get object, which accept key, and second method is get keys method. And in this method, if key is hello, then it returns hello Peter in English language, and if key is goodbye, then it returns goodbye Steve in English language. And this method returns enumeration of keys. And here I have defined the keys. This is the first key and this is the second key, and these keys are separated by space. Here I have defined the class message bundle underscore fr and underscore fr, which extends resource bundle class and overrides two methods, handle get object method and get keys method. And if key is hello, it returns hello Peter in French language. And if key is goodbye, it returns goodbye Steve in French language. Here I have defined the class resource bundle demo. I am running this program in debug mode. Here I am creating a locale object, and in locale constructor I am passing language code as en and country code as us. And here I am calling getBundle method of ResourceBundle class and passing the base name and the locale, and it returns ResourceBundle object. Then I am calling getString method of ResourceBundle object, passing the key as hello, and locale is enus, so it returns value from this class. And locale is enus, so we got the value in English language from this class. And here I am creating locale, which is French, and here I am passing language code as fr and country code as fr. Then I am calling getBundle method of ResourceBundle class and passing the base name and the French locale, and it returns ResourceBundle object. And here I am calling getString method of ResourceBundle object and passing the key as hello, and it returns the value. And locale is French locale, so it gets value from this class. And we got the values, and this time we got values in French language because locale is French. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.